Okay, third year, your topic for group discussion is AI, its impact on jobs and society. Please start.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Kaushal Ran and today our topic is AI impacts on job and society. So in my perspective, I want to tell you AI impact for job. There are lots of positive reasons and negative reasons. Some kind of positive reason I have with the positive side. So it generates the more jobs for people and it kind of helps to get information and knowledge at all, and it also helps to get money, kind of business, kind of get education. Yeah, thank you.
As my friend Papa Khan told about the AI, it is positive and negative both are ways. And I think he told about the negative, positive. I want to say about the negative. Just a content created and content about that title for. Then when we are from given ChatGPT, then we will produce that. If you are a sketch artist, that's started, right? And and then create a sketch. And then now we can say about ChatGPT that we create about that sketch. That's a negative impact for about.
It is also a good impact. Like you don't need to do lots of work. You don't need to do things about that. You just thought and you just search on ChatGPT and you just get it.
In positive ways, you also say that with using AI, we can get the more appropriate and the more accurate of things that we want.
I think when AI is come, then suppose that if we have a skill for sketch artist, then we want to go to create that sketch. But when we can say ChatGPT create a sketch of mirror, actually to create that sketch for our which skill.
I agree that in that field, yes, AI is taking the job, but in other fields, AI is creating more opportunities and more jobs also.
As Prachi Potter and my friend Arun said that AI will eat your jobs. AI will not eat your jobs if you know how to use AI tools and how to use it how you will use it for your purpose. AI will create more jobs like prompt engineer and AI trainers also. In this way, AI is not have a bad impact on society job. In fact, it has a good opportunity for everyone to upskill yourself and upgrade yourself.
As my friend Arun says that negative, but I want to say that the positive way. Technology provides the company to demand digital skills and AI security jobs and repetitive jobs of your official of the manual and repetitive jobs. As the ChatGPT and we have to set and then sketch we have to wait. But there is a good thing as I saw that we said see jobs example. I don't know I don't know.
I think that a CP's skill is a create a sketch artist. Then we have to ChatGPT create a manual sketch. Then we create like what about CP's skill?
बट आपको उसके लिए उसका उसके स्किल्स दिखेगा तब तो आपको मिलेगा ना उसका
मेरा मतलब आर्टिस्ट पहले CP स्केच बना रहा था, मार्केट में चालू कर रहा था, सभी से परचेज करते थे, पास बढ़िया प्रॉफिट चल रहा था, ठीक है, गुड प्रॉफिट. Then ChatGPT has come and you say ChatGPT a manual sketch, he create and you sell, then you contribute. What about CP's skill? What just an example.
CP skills is that CP wants to tell the ChatGPT that skills are just he said and then
Listen, second thing. When we have thought about creative ideas about direction होने वाला है, I don't know about that name. Let's थोड़ा firstly then before ChatGPT or we have got God. Now we have got search on AI. Also harmful for
we are
us.
just managing how
That AI will eat the jobs of artists, sketch artists. but it will also generate more jobs. As per the report, according to the report, till 2030, AI will create more jobs and opportunities. But if it will keep jobs, it will also create more jobs. It doesn't mean that one job is going, then other not is coming.
According to me, my name is Vikas Chandra. Current time, AI is not destroy job. AI is doing just basic. Hello, my name is Chandra. As my friend Abhinder said that AI is destroy. AI creates job in future, our future life. But I think AI is our helper. It is help to make new things like this that
And actually create more ideas, more project, or
It saves our time and money, it also saves our time and money.
As my friend Prakash said, is right that AI is helping to generate information as well as eyesight, and also it saves our time. Like we don't need to waste our time for the skills. Like as the Arun said, we need to sketch, and we want to, but we don't have time, but we want to create a sketch. We just
you don't interested about that. I'm interested about it.
So that is your particular personal thing.
Will not
And
have
more people are AI use.
As I said that in that case, maybe AI is taking the job, but in other ways, AI is also creating the jobs and making
I
things
know,
more
I
efficient.
got the
but it also gives a job.
Okay, conclude. Now conclude.
AI is just a helper. We can doing anything and making any project and making any others. Then AI help me to make and good.
The conclusion is that AI is having the pros and cons as well in different fields, but AI is creating things more efficient and helping the humans, not just replacing the human jobs.
And the one conclusion is job transformation. The many people are getting jobs in doing work for going office and just example like a doctor is using nowadays AI tools, but after doctors are using tools like thermometers, computer screen, blood pressure machine, like.
Okay, now I want to give the review. If I see this team, I guess सबसे best performance Kausar की थी, and Arun and Abhinandan also fared well. But the problem with Arun is too much performance, too much, है ना? Indulgence. It's okay. See, in a group discussion, it's not you need to dominate. You need to balance out. दूसरों को भी मौका मिले and argumentative नहीं होना, अपना opinion respectfully रखना होता है. Prachi also did well. The thing with, like when I said conclude, CP was speaking and वो conclusion नहीं था and the body gesture was wrong. Kausar ने ले लिया. Then Ayush thought कि अरे मैंने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं, now I should conclude. है ना? But see, by looks you are a good candidate. मुझे लग रहा था कि I want to hear from you, but you didn't spoke. है ना? आपने कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
मैम यार डिबेट चल रहा है।
हाँ, see in group discussion debate नहीं होना है. You should be respectful towards the other person. And the last person is Prabhu Dayal. Didn't speak at all. So in this, if I have to choose one, it will be Kausar. If I have to choose two, then it will be Arun and Kausar. I hope everybody will agree कि सबसे अच्छी performance किसकी थी?
मैं प्राची जो भी पॉइंट्स बोली है वो
हाँ,
वो काफी
that is important. प्राची की performance अच्छी थी, but Prachi did turned out to be a leader. Kausar with her body language and presence appeared to be a leader, and Arun also, I was surprised. You are also turning into a leader, so that was good. Prachi is knowledgeable. बट कहीं ना कहीं वो पर्सनालिटी में लीडरशिप नहीं आ रही है अभी तक देखते हुए. हाँ, शी इज़ अ हम्बल पर्सन. एंड जहाँ तक हम बात करेंगे आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज की, अभिनंदन क्रॉस लेग गलत है, आयुष क्रॉस लेग, कौसर क्रॉस लेग. कभी भी जीडी में क्रॉस लेग नहीं बैठते. एंड प्रभु, यू आर जस्ट टॉलरेटिंग देम, जस्ट टॉलरेटिंग देम.